the island a dream was born, a team of champions in the early dawn. With bats held high and spirits strong, Sri Lanka marched where legends belong. Champions in '96, we rise and cheer for the lions who conquered year after year. With every boundary wicket and run, Sri Lanka shines under the golden sun. Arjuna led with wisdom calm and clear, the silver spat brought victory near. Kalu's quick runs and Murali's spin, a symphony of cricket destined to win. From Kandy's hills to Colombo's shore, the roar of the lions forevermore. In Lahore's field, history was made. Sri Lanka's glory, a never-fading parade. We remember the day with hearts full of pride, when Sri Lanka's name echoed far and wide. A champion's tale, forever we sing, of 1996, when we wore the crown as kings. From Kandy's hills to Colombo's shore, the roar of the lions forevermore. In Lahore's field, history was made. Sri Lanka's glory, a never-fading parade. We remember the day with hearts full of pride, when Sri Lanka's name echoed far and wide. A champion's tale, forever we sing, of 1996, when we wore the crown as kings.